hungry? Because if so, you're in the right place. Today, we're making grilled sweetbread with a Tare glaze.
Give me something good.
Hi, and welcome to another episode of Görgött. You heard it, we're back on Offal. We're making sweetbread, and we're grilling them with a nice Tare kind of glaze. But before we have a look at the ingredients, there's not many here. Do me a huge favor, if you're not a subscriber to the channel yet, just hit the subscribe button and check the bell icon so that you get a notification every Tuesday that a new episode comes out. But now let's have a look. Veal sweetbread, as much as you need for the amount of people you are. I've calculated about 200 grams per person, which is a lot. You'll be fine with 150 as well. We have some chives. I'm just going to chop them. I won't film them. They will just go on top. And we have our Tare. Now let's first have a look at how we did that Tare. So for our Tare, I mean every Tare is a bit different, but I'm using 60 grams of soy sauce, 60 grams of cooking sake, 60 grams of Mirin, 20 grams of maple syrup, and 10 grams of Kombu. And we're going to put that all in one pot, and I'm going to heat it up on the stove, and then we'll take it from there. So let's first do the pot thing. Okay, mix everything together. I'll do the maple syrup first, and then we'll do like this to make sure that we get all of it out, or at least most of it out. And then I will just split this. And this onto the stove. I can't do it on the induction plate because those pots are too old, so they don't work with induction, but we'll do it over there. So bring this to a boil. Then we're going to take out the kombu and reduce it a bit. I'll see in a bit. So it just came to a boil. Now we let it cool down and let it sit in the kombu for maybe 20 minutes, and then we reduce it. So I'll see in about 20 minutes. So we just have removed the kombu. It was in there for about 20 minutes. Now we'll reduce this a little bit. Not too much, but a little bit. See, maybe 5 minutes. So I'm quite happy with the intensity of it. That's basically our Tare that we're going to use. As you can see, really simple. We put that to the side. We're going to put the sweetbread into it later once we clean them. But the next step is to clean the sweetbread. So we'll do one together. Now, if there are a lot of videos or recipes out there that tells you need to put them in milk before, you need to boil them or blanch them quickly. Blanch them, yes, it might be a bit easier to get these membranes off, but it's for sure not necessarily. And you don't need to take them all off, because then the sweetbread will just fall apart. So just try to find the biggest. And it's like when you're skinning some fish or something like that, or taking away like silver skin on meat. You just have to take your time, look so that you find it. I'm just letting the knife guide me. And angling the blades slightly upwards. And why are we doing this? Because sometimes the membrane can make the sweetbread tough, or not tough as such, but kind of a tough first, like when you chew, and the first thing you feel is the membrane that made it a little bit tough. But just work your way through it slowly. Take away as much as you feel is necessary. I'm going to leave them relatively whole for the grilling. Like so. You can see it takes a bit of time, but it's worth the job. I'm happy with that one. Take this last bit. And this one, let's see. I'm quite happy with it as well, actually. You like go in like this and try to grab whatever you can. And if you find something, you can just go in and try to cut it off. But for me, these two are okay. Take the last one here. And here as well. So, and now, well, do the rest of your sweetbread, and then I'll show you what we do next. Take the sweetbread that you cleared up, or cleaned, put them in a plastic bag, and we put in our Tare. And we're going to leave them in there for half an hour, and then it's time to grill them. So I'll see you in a bit. As you can see, we have our grill. It's relatively hot. We've taken our sweetbreads out of the bag, and we captured the liquid that was left in the bag because we're going to brush them with this. So I will make one together with you that we can eat. Like so. I will clear this off so we can put the grill in the middle. So we have our Tare, our brush, and our grill. Can already put some on this side here. Now we just wait until we can turn it. See in about a minute or two. So we're going to turn this a couple of times so we get as much Tare on it as possible. And we paint it or brush it. And then we wait again and we turn and we wait and we turn. I'll see you in a couple of minutes. Time to make another turn and at the same time move up a little bit because it's a bit warmer in this corner. And again, we'll brush it. Sweetbread is one of these things that you want well done, or cooked through at least. Now we wait again. Turn again. I want to get as much of the Tare onto it as possible. And we wait. Another turn. I think maybe 2 more of these and we'll be done. Another turn. I think one more time on this side, and then we're done. I'll do one more turn, then finish it off. For another minute. I'll move this around like this, and then we have space for our plate. Do one last Tare brushing. Now we're almost ready to plate this. And if, as always, if you stuck me with this part, there must have been something you enjoyed about this episode. So do me the huge favor and hit that thumbs up button. It's just down there, takes you a second, but it's so valuable for me to get the content out there in the YouTube universe. So please do me that favor. And now we're almost ready to serve it up. And touch it. It's nice and firm, which means it's ready to go. Turn it once more. We'll leave that side as it is and just give it like 30 seconds at the bottom now. Fantastic. You know what? Let's do something different. We're gonna slice it up and then serve it sliced. So I'll remove that again. So let's get this off. I'll move the grill. Now let's slice this up. Like that, we'll have little nuggets. Just one more on top like that. And then our chives. And that's it. Now we can dig in. Now, been waiting for this. I love sweetbread. That's just excellent. I haven't cut them through properly. The fattiness of the sweetbread with the umami salty sweetness of the tare. It's fantastic. I know sweetbread is not everyone's thing, but if you do like sweetbread and looking for a new way to make them, this is the way you should try. So good. Now, if you have any questions about the recipe, just leave them in the comments below. I always answer them. Do we have anything else to mention? I don't think so. Yeah, if you're not a subscriber, hit the subscribe button. Check the bell icon. That's it for this time. Take care. Bye-bye.